Good morning, students. Myself Vijayalaxmi Choudhury. Here I am. This is my YouTube channel where you will get a basic knowledge and complete knowledge on your mathematics. Okay, and here I will teach you both English to English and English to Hindi. You will go through this. If you have any type of complaint, any type of doubts related, and where you get any query related to math, you can clear it by the comment. Okay, if you comment me your doubt, I will try to clear it. So let's start today's class. As you all are promoted to class 9, your first lesson is number system. Okay, so what is the number system? First we will understand the concept. Okay, what is a number? From the childhood you are reading the numbers. Okay, so it is not a new concept for you at all. But the natural number, the whole number, all these numbers came later. But when you are in nursery, then also you started 1, 2, 3, 4. When you promoted to higher classes, you got this number division in different names, right? So here the first is the natural number. Okay, what is the natural number? Natural means which you read as a natural, means as a common. What you read from 1 to you started reading 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you also just giving any your sibling how to that recite the number. Then you are also starting from 1, which is very common, which is very natural. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 up to infinity. Okay, the numbers from 1 to infinity, this is known as natural number. Okay, in Hindi if you want to say that the number, जो नंबर तुम लोग ना बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हो कि 0 से शुरू होता है, इन्फिनिटी तक जाता है, तुम लोग अपने छोटे भाई बहन को बोलते हो, वही 1 नंबर से लेके इन्फिनिटी तक सारे नंबर को नेचुरल नंबर बोला जाता है, जिसको कैपिटल N के थ्रू हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. तुम लोग 9th क्लास आ जाते हैं, राइट? तो फिर गए नेक्स्ट नंबर, दैट इज होल नंबर. ओके, when with this natural number we add 0. Natural number when included with this 0, then it becomes the whole number. Okay, then what will become the numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Okay, तो जब 0 इसमें इंक्लूड हो गया नेचुरल नंबर पे, तब वो होल नंबर हो गया. ठीक है, तो 0 से लेके इन्फिनिटी. बट एक चीज याद रखना, यहाँ पे सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स है, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव नंबर इंक्लूड ही नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, तो ये सारे नंबर को बोला जाता है फिर होल नंबर. ओके, सो पहला नंबर है नेचुरल नंबर. पहला है क्या तुम लोगों का? नेचुरल नंबर. फिर दूसरा है होल नंबर. नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर द थर्ड, द इंटीजर. Where with the whole number the negative part is included, okay, then it is called as the integer. Okay, which is represented with the capital Z, and whole number is represented with the capital W. Okay, here I already wrote. So natural integer is just the numbers which is from minus infinity to plus infinity. ओके, मतलब क्या है? माइनस कितनी नंबर बड़ा नंबर हो उससे लेके माइनस इन्फिनिटी से लेके -3, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 अप टू इन्फिनिटी. ये सारे आता है इंटीजर के अंदर. ओके, फिर आया जो ये तीनों जिसके अंदर है, मीन्स ऑल द नेचुरल नंबर, द होल नंबर, द integers which can be written in the form of a fraction. What is that? P by Q, where Q is definitely not equals to 0. P by Q, where Q is definitely not equals to 0, that is called as a rational number. Okay, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, नेचुरल नंबर हो सकता है, होल नंबर हो सकता है, इंटीजर हो सकता है, या फ्रैक्शन हो सकता है. अब क्या हम लोग नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर को फ्रैक्शन में लिख सकते हैं? हाँ, जरूर लिख सकते हैं. वो भी तुम लोग पढ़ चुके हो कि 2 जो होता है वो 2/1 भी वही होता है. पर कभी भी 0/1 तुम लोग देख सकते हो, 0/5 या 0/1, बट कभी भी Q के जगह पे 5/0 ये एक नहीं हो सकता रेशनल नंबर, या ये नंबर ही नहीं है, ये टोटली इमेजिनरी है। ठीक है, तो नंबर जनरली दो तरह का होता है। मैं तुम लोगों को एक चीज बताती हूँ कि नंबर जनरली कितने तरह का होता है। नंबर जनरली दो तरह का होता है। ओके, एक होता है इमेजिनरी, जिसका वैल्यू तो तुम निकाल नहीं सकते, बस इमेजिन कर सकते हो, हाँ हाँ शायद होगा नहीं होगा, पर ये है ही नहीं। ओके, और दूसरा चीज है जो कि रियल नंबर है, मतलब कि नंबर कुछ रियल में है। तो दिस टू टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स आर देयर, वन इज इमेजिनरी एंड वन इज रियल। फॉर एग्जांपल हियर 5/0, ये एक इमेजिनरी है, टोटल इमेजिनरी है, इसमें सिर्फ इमेजिन कर सकते हैं। यहाँ कोई नेगेटिव नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट निकाल के दिखाओ, ओ भाई ऐसा हो सकता है, राइट। जब माइनस साइन तुम्हारे स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर है तो तुम निकाल सकते हो, पर अगर ये वो अंदर हो गया तो तुम नहीं निकाल सकते, तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है, इमेजिनरी नंबर। अब ये रियल नंबर होता क्या है, ये रियल नंबर जो है वो तुम्हारा नेचुरल नंबर, तुम्हारा होल नंबर, तुम्हारा इंटीजर, तुम्हारा रेशनल नंबर प्लस इरेशनल नंबर। वो इरेशनल नंबर क्या है वो भी हम देखेंगे। जो जितने सारे नंबर है जिसका वैल्यू तुम लिखते हो 1 2 3 4 5 6 जो भी लेके, वो उस सारे नंबर को रियल नंबर कहा जाता है। विच द नंबर विच हैव अ पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू, विच हैव अ वैल्यू which can be calculated, that is called as a real number. Got it? So this is the concept of the number. Okay. So now come to the next part. Let's erase it. So मैं जितने सारे टिप्स तुम लोगों को बोलूंगी स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमेशा याद रखना। ये मैं बहुत सारे क्लासेस लेती हूँ तो मैं देखती हूँ कि बहुत जन इसको यूज नहीं करते हैं कि पेन पेंसिल मैथ्स के टाइम हमेशा यूज करना। जो भी एक टीचर बोले, चाहे तुम्हारे क्लास में हो चाहे ऑनलाइन में हो, वो हमेशा से तुम लिख लेना, ठीक है। तो वो तुम्हें बहुत काम आएगा। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट। तो this will come to later. First the irrational number. So, irrational number क्या है? Irrational number is that number which value is not easily calculated, which don't have a fixed value. Always remember, जहां तक तुम लोग रेशनल के बाद थे, रेशनल तक जहां तक हम लोग पढ़े थे, वहां पे कुछ भी हो वो एक फिक्स वैल्यू होता है, चाहे वो 1/7 हो, चाहे वो 5 हो, कुछ भी हो, या चाहे वो -2 हो, कुछ भी हो, उसका वैल्यू एक पर्टिकुलर होता है, फिक्स होता है। पर जहां तक इरेशनल नंबर आ जाता है तब वो उसका वैल्यू फिक्स नहीं रहता। जैसे कि रूट ओवर, जैसे यहाँ पे है 2, रूट ओवर 3, रूट ओवर 8, रूट ओवर 5। ओके, so this is not a fixed value, so these all are called irrational numbers. Okay. So why pi is a irrational number? See, because pi is just, if you see the movie that Ramanujan, how the pi value came, the pi value came based on the circle. Okay, so pi value came based on earth. Actually, this pi value came. So earth is, you as usual, you just know that it is in a circular form, not in, it is in oval form, but in mathematics it is a circular form. So this is a circumference of the circle, circumference of circle by the diameter of the circle. The diameter of, okay, so taking this in case of the earth, we got 3.1415 not 2653 more there. Okay, up to 14 digit it is still now calculated. So it is not fixed value, it is not fixed value, it is not complete anywhere. So because it don't have a fixed value, so that it is going under the irrational number. Okay, now same root 8 also, root 2 also, you all know in your junior classes, class 8, how to find out the square root of any numbers. Okay, if you don't know, then in further video I will explain it. Okay, so these all are irrational numbers. Okay, now we will prove it. We take that root 2 is a irrational number. Now we will go for to prove it, whether it is a irrational number or not, why it is called as irrational number. Okay, so let's prove it. Now we wrote take it such as take it. For example, for now we take this is a rational number. Okay. So you know all that rational number can be written in the form of a by b. Hence root over 2 also can be written in the form of a by b. Okay. So for example, root 2 equals to a by b. Root 2 equals to a by b, which is b is not equals to 0 because it is a rational number. For now we are taking as a root 2 is rational, so that it should be satisfy our condition. Okay, so root 2 is a rational number. Okay, so root 2 square, both sides square, root 2 square equals to a by b square, means 2 equals to a square by b square, where a square equals to 2b square. One condition satisfied, means where a square is a product of 2, means a 2 into b square. Now it is a product of 2, means it is divisible by 2, right? A square is a divisible by 2. Clear? Now take a equals to 2c. For the place of b square we took c. Okay, now a square will become 4c square. Now a square equals to 2b square, a square equals to 4c square, means without any doubt 2b square equals to 4c square, because from the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now both side what will become? Cancel 2. Okay, so b square equals to 2c square. Okay, but then b equals to b also, here b also divisible by 2, correct? Because b also 2c square, it is a product of 2, so it is b also divisible by 2. Clear? So now from this both condition, okay, here a also a product of 2, here b also a product of 2, then they have a common factor, that is 2. They have a common factor, that is 2. Common factor, that is equals to 2. Okay, so but if it is a, then it is a, if it is a rational number, okay, then it should have a common factor other than 1. But a root 2 have any common factor? No, it don't have any common factor. It have only one common factor, that is 1. Okay, so see here, when we took both the side, then we got here a square and b square both have common factor 2, but when a by b it have common factor 1. That means a by b is not at all a rational number. It is total an irrational number because it violated our rule. Okay, so a by b is not a rational. Is not a rational number. So like that you can prove if you will get the question, if anyone will ask why root 2 is not a rational number, like that root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8. So all this irrational number you can prove according to this. Okay, now come back to the another part. Here inserting rational number, this is I think from the 6th class you are reading. Okay, just you read one method. Here I will go to explain you 3 methods. Okay, first method what you read, this is 3 by 5 to 4 by 5. How many rational number? 5 rational number. This is the question from the book. Okay, so 3 by 5 to 4 by 5. Because we want a 5 rational number, we will multiply with 6. Always remember how many numbers rational number it told to include. Just multiply the next number. Then what will you will get? 18 by 32 20 by 30. Array, only one key. Okay, no problem. We will see. Again multiply with 2. 2. Now again we will multiply with 6. And I think it will be more better. Okay. So 18 6 48, then 4, then 108 by 180, and here 120 by 180. Oh, yes, so many numbers you get. 108 to 109 by 180, 110 by 180, 111 by 180. So up to 120 by 180, you got so many rational numbers which is in between these two rational number. You can write. This method you already read in your class 6th. Okay. Now the other method I am going to explain you. Just to see, there are so many methods also there, which I think you will. It will be easy for you. So for that, erase it. We will erase this. The second method is just second trick. I think that trick will be more easier than this trick. So students, don't think about the methods. Any method you can do which is according to the math rule and it is easy for you, you can do it. Okay. So first, second method. 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Add both the numerator and both the denominator. Okay. This will come the middle number. So what came? 7 by 10. Okay. Now in between this 3 by 5 and 7 by 10. Then 3 plus 7 by 5 plus 10. And in between these two 7 plus 4 by 10 plus 4. So what came? 10 by 15. Already we got 7 by 10 and 11 by 14 and already 3 by 5. And 4 by 5 is there. Now again two numbers we want. Means take this. Any gap you take. Any gap you take. Your wish. Totally your wish. So I am just telling 3 by 10 by 5 plus 15. And I am doing here 7 plus 11 by 10 plus 14. So what the numbers came? This is the question 3 by 5. This is the question 4 by 5. So what the numbers came? That is 13 by 20, 10 by 15, 7 by 10, 24 by 24. Okay. Then 24 only. 7 yes. So sorry, 7 plus 11. So it is 18. It is not 17 student. It is 11. So 18 by 24 and 11 by 24 and 4 by 5. So this is 3 by 5. These both are question. Okay. Now see, easily by just adding you got 5 rational numbers. Easily just by adding you got 5 rational numbers. So this is 18 by 24. You can cancel it. There is no problem. You can cancel if anywhere it is cancelled, like here 10 by 15, 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja, here 18 by 24. Okay. So 3 6 6 3 ja, 6 4 ja. So okay, you can cancel it. It is not at all any problem. You will not cancel also. Okay. You will cancel also. Okay. But these are the rational numbers and this is the second method. Now come to the third method. Method number 3, which is given in our book. Okay. That is called middle number method. Means every time you will find the middle number only. And I don't think it is an easy method for who are facing problem in mathematics. But still, who are good in mathematics, you can easily attend it. Not at all. Okay. So who are little thinking that maths is a tough subject, then better that don't go by this method. There are so many methods are there, by adding method, by taking the common LCM method. So you just follow that method. So now come to that middle number. Okay. So what is the middle number? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Now middle number means by 2. Okay, like by the 2, always any two number middle number, if we want we will add it, and by 2 it will give us the middle number. You know better it. Okay, you add it and divide by 2 or divide by 1 by 2. Anyway you can write, that is correct only. So now do it. 5 4 plus 3 7 by 5 into 2 by 1. So 14 by 5. Okay, this is 1. Okay, now sorry, this is divided by 2. What I did, 1 by 2, thinking the same. It is better that it is option, so we will erase it. So students, you just carefully do, because you don't have erase option. Okay, so let's do it. So what I did, I just simply add these two and divide by 2. So what is that? 4 by 3, 4 plus 3 by 5, and it gave 7 by 5, and it is 1 by 2. Now what became 7 by 10. Okay, again this is the middle number of 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Middle is 7 by 10. Now take these two or these two, which is yours. So 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10, again divided by 2. So what came? 10 5 6 plus 7, that is 13 by 10, divided 1 by 2, that is 13 by 4. Okay, again 13 by 10, this is 13 by 20. It came second, then third. Like that, 5 times you will find out the middle number, and it will include inside this fraction. This will give you the 5 rational number. This is the method. But if you will take my suggestion, anyhow in mathematics, always follow the easy method, tricky method, and get the mark. It is not, if it is mentioned that anything, then you should do according to the particular method. If it is not mentioned, then always follow the easy method. Okay, so now go to our next concept. How we will show a rational number? How we will show a irrational number on a number line? So before to showing this irrational number on number line, first we will see how we will show the rational numbers on the number line. So see, as you all know, the number line is just a line. From the childhood you all already, this is a number line, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is -1, -2, -3. This is the showing of the rational numbers. This is the whole number, this is the natural number, and this is the integers. Okay, so all this, the rational numbers, how you will show on the number line. Okay, now we will go how we will show this irrational number on the number line. It is also very easy, it is not hard at all, but it requires the students. Here you can use protractor also, you can use rounder also. So it is not a mandatory that you will use this one or you will use that one. Anyone is just telling no, you have to follow using the rounder only. No, this is not at all mandatory. Our requirement is just the 90 degree. So anything you can take according to your own convenience. Okay, there is no particular that you will take a rounder only. Rounder is your compass. Okay, so now come to here. Now here this picture is just showing √2 on a number line. Okay, so for this we will use Pythagoras theorem. तुम लोग तो पढ़ी चुके होंगे 8th क्लास में Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras एक साइंटिस्ट थे, मैथमेटिशियन थे. ओके, जो बोले थे कि एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का जो हाइपोटेन्यूज होता है, हाइपोटेन्यूज इज जस्ट the square of this hypotenuse is sum of the perpendicular and base square. Okay, ये तुम लोग पहले से पढ़ चुके हो. इसके बेस पे ये हम लोग इरेशनल नंबर को फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, मुझे क्या चाहिए? मुझे चाहिए फॉर एग्जांपल √2, ये जो पिक्चर में दिखाया गया है. ठीक है, तो मुझे √2 जो मेरा है वो मुझे अगर मेरा हाइपोटेन्यूस जगह पे है, हाइपोटेन्यूस जगह पे है, तो मेरा जो h है वो क्या है, √p² प्लस b² है। अगर मुझे ये √2 चाहिए तो ये दोनों मेरा 1 1 होना मैंडेटरी है। क्यों? क्योंकि 1 का स्क्वायर ही 1 होता है, राइट। तो अगर मैं मेरे दोनों तरफ 1 1 ले जाऊं तो मेरा ये √2 हो जाएगा। इसको हम लोग ग्राफ में प्रेजेंट करेंगे। देखिए ये ग्राफ अच्छे से, इसमें क्या किया है, 0 से लेके 1 तक, 0 to ये कैसे करना है, ये बहुत इजी है। एक स्केल ले लो, स्केल में ऑलरेडी सेंटीमीटर इज मेंशन्ड, सो यू टेक ए स्केल or ruler, whatever it is called in common language in our India, it is called very clear scale. Okay, so it is in geography scale is different, in mathematics scale is different, the ruler is called as a scale. Okay, anyway, so take a ruler and put a line. Okay, take a ruler, put a line, and before to pick out the ruler, you always mark anywhere, it may be 5 or maybe square, anywhere you just put a marker. Okay, and consider, and from there, from right side, exact 1 centimeter difference. For example, it is 5 on your ruler, then at 6, at 7, at 8, at 9, at 10. Here this side also, here 4, here 3, here 2, here 1. Okay, you put it, then pick your ruler. Okay, your work over. Now you take a 0, means it is already the 1 centimeter already came, there is no need to worry. Now take a protractor, or if you are using the compass, then make it 90 degree, which is totally yours. How to make 90 degree? Chronometer 60, 120 and 90, then make a line. Okay, which is yours. You can take the protractor also, you can take the compass also. I am repeating again and again. Now here 1 centimeter we already got, so here 1 centimeter, again take the compass, measurement of 1 centimeter using a ruler, and mark another line. Okay, mark another line. Now this is this is the point of 1 centimeter on this. Okay, now what we will do, we will just get, this is 1 centimeter already, this is 1 centimeter, now join this, this is √2. Okay, but is this on the number line? No, this is in hawa, in air, so we have to show this is on this number line. So take the rounder, fix it at this point, then another part, your pencil area at this point, then simply make a circle. You are making the arc, simply make that as a circle. It will come like this, not like this, it will come like this. Now this is, for example, this is P. Now this is 0, this is for example O, then OP equals to √2. Okay, so this is the way to represent any irrational number. Now take another example. For example, if we want to see √5. Okay, and √5, how it is coming? Square root of √5, it is coming 4. Okay, 4 plus 1. Okay, 4 you know that is 2 square. This is 1 square. Okay, so this is so for that reason 4 plus 1, so it will give √5. Okay, now take on the number line, take the line, at the middle it is 0. Okay, so now 1 2, same as I told, 1 2 3 4. Okay, -1 -2 -3 -4. Now here first one is 2. Here one tips, always remember student, whatever the bigger number, always take directly on the number line, so that your number line will get a sufficient place if you are using the compass, and it will be easy for you to measure the fix smaller on the above of the line. Okay, so here this is 0 and this is 2 centimeter. Okay, so now here we will make the 90 degree. Here we will make the 90 degree. Make it, and that to take the compass or take the protractor, make the 90 degree. Okay, remove the 90 degree. Now 1 centimeter you mark it. Now joint it 0 to this portion. This is your root 5. Don't forget to give the name. Okay, so m. Okay, but this is root 5, but this is not on the number line. So take this distance, fix in your compass, and just give a mark on the number line. And now you got this given number n. Now don't forget to write mn equals to root 5, and you will get a correct number line. Okay, so today what we read the different type of the numbers, the natural number, the whole number, the rational number, irrational number, why the root 2, root 3 all are called as irrational number, what is the imaginary number, real number, and how to show a irrational number on a number line. And rest concept we will see in the next video. Thank you all for watching my video, and have a good day all.